Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. Just wanted to record a quick video for you and let you know how things are going with Passive Profits. The company is really growing at a rapid pace. I know I haven't been talking about it as much. That's because I'm doing a couple of different programs, and the other program I was doing, they had a promotion that was going on this week, so I was focusing a lot of my attention there. But I just wanted to let you know that this program is doing great. It's still fairly new, and one of the things that I really like about it, well, there's a few things. Number one is the fact that they have closers, which is really cool. So when you send out this postcard, and it would actually just be this orange area. I added this on here for this. Um, the postcard looks fairly similar, but the point is that the postcard has a phone number on it and then your ID number. And what that does is it helps people that, want to get some more information rather than have to go to a website or read a flyer. They can actually talk to a person. So what they would do is call that number on the postcard. And if nobody answers, they just leave a voice message and then one of the closers will call them back. And the whole point of that call is to explain to them how the program works, set the right expectations, get to know that person a little bit, and make sure that they get in at a position that is comfortable for them. They're not trying to, get people to come in at the highest level if they can't afford it, or go take out a loan or put it on a credit card. That's not what it's all about. What we're trying to do is definitely help people out here. So the other good thing about it, so the way it works is when you come in, then um, the person that brings you in gets a 50% commission. The same thing, once you get involved and you bring somebody in, you get a 50% commission, then the other 50% goes to the company. Now, what is awesome about this program is that there's no pass ups. And what I mean by that is, let's just say you come in at the $100 level and somebody that got one of your postcards, they say, "Oh, well, I don't want to come in at the $100 level. I want to come in at the $500 level." Well, in some companies, if that happens, you miss out on the whole commission because they'll tell you that you're not positioned correctly. In order to get the $500 commission, or the commission for the $500 level, you need to also be at the $500 level. But the good thing about passive profits is that if you're at the $100 level and you bring somebody in at the $500 level, they're still going to pay you your commission for the $100 level. So you'll still make your $50 and then the remaining will roll up. So hopefully that makes sense. The point is that in other programs, one of the worst feelings is when you're marketing and spending your money, but you're not at the highest position, and somebody that you market to comes in at a higher position and you miss out altogether. I really don't like that concept. I'm not totally like against it. I understand why some companies have to do it, but I really like this better because that way everybody wins. Sorry, I had to drink some water there. My throat was getting dry. So I have a very simple website set up. I have another funnel that I built, but I just wanted to show you this first and then I'll show you that one. This one is very simple. Basically, it shows the postcard and then there's a video down here. And in this video, this is Ontarian. This is the owner of the company. This is his video letting people know who he is, a little bit about his background and stuff, why he put this program together, all the other companies that he's had success with that finally led him down that path to creating his own program. So that is how the Passive Profits program works. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. There's nothing to overcomplicate here. When you join, you'll get this welcome kit in the mail, and the welcome kit is really cool. I've done a video on it in the past, so I'll link that to this video. And in there, you get your business leads, you get some paperwork on the company, the compensation plan. You get a roll of stamps, which is really cool. I got 100 stamps. So the level I came in at, I got 100 stamps, which is really cool. I got this nice pen. And best of all, I shouldn't say best of all, but I mean, best of all for me, it was a $20, $25 gift certificate to Domino's Pizza, which my family used tonight. So that was another reason I wanted to do this video, because it's fresh in my mind that, because I got into this company and got a nice little free dinner out of it, ordered a pizza and a salad and some chicken wings and some, well, bone in chicken wings and bone out chicken wings. Anyways, yeah, enough about that. But like I said, it's fresh in my mind. And the point I'm trying to make about that is that it's really cool that the company is marketing in such a creative way that it's like, we're not just going to give them an envelope full of leads and some papers. Let's do something special. Let's give them a nice pen with our company name on it. Let's give them a roll of stamps. So when they get their postcards, their first 100 stamps or their first 100 postcards, the postage is already paid. And let's give them a gift card so they can go get something to eat or go buy something. I had another friend that got a Nike gift certificate for the Nike outlet. And then I had another friend that got a one gift card for the Google Play Store. Unfortunately, she has an iPhone, so she could use it for something else. But the point is, they have all these random gift cards that they're giving out, and it's just a nice little perk. So, anyways, let's go to my real website, and let me show you how this works. So, this is the website you would get if you join me at what do you call it, at the $500 level, or is it, I'm sorry, the $1,000. If you join at the $1,000 level or higher, which would give me a $500 commission, then I will build this website for you for free. Okay, so your first year will be absolutely free. If you want to keep it after that, it's only $97 a year. That's the website, that's the hosting, that's the autoresponder, the email follow-ups, everything. So let me show you how it works. So this is what we call a capture page. Are you ready to do something different with your life? The simple money making system could change your game. Simply enter your email. So put Nick here, Nicholas Lau at yahoo.com. Show me what's next. Now what this will do is go to the sales page. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit tired tonight. That's why the words aren't coming out fast enough. But anyways, so right here, this is me, or no, I'm sorry, this is that same Ontarian promotion again. Actually, I'm going to do my own I'm going to do my own presentation, and then I'll eventually replace this. But right now, I'm using Ontarians, and this basically just explains the entire program, what you're going to get, step 1, step 2, step 3. So if they are ready to call, they can just click here, and then it'll launch if they're on the computer, it'll launch a FaceTime call. If they're on their phone, then it'll launch a phone call, and then get the referral ID. So it's like, okay, the ID is 0146. So when they call this number, and then the representative asks us, okay, on your postcard, what is the number on there? Then they'll be like 0146. Now the person that's taking the call, they know that, okay, that's one of Nick's leads. So over here, it explains the different positions, the 100, 3, 5,000, 2,000, 4,000. See, now in some companies, if you don't get paid on the positions you're not at, you don't even want to put the other position. So I'm at the $1,000 position, right? So in other companies, I wouldn't even show that there's a 2,000 or 4,000 because I wouldn't want to lose the whole commission. In this company, I don't have to worry about it. I'm at the 1,000. But if you say that, hey, Nick, I'd rather come in at the 4,000, no problem, because they're still going to pay me my $500 for this package, right? And then the remaining will go to the company. So this is where I came in at. I always think that in most programs, the $1,000 position is the comfortable level. It tells people that they're doing a high ticket product. They put some skin in the game, but at the same time, it's not breaking their bank. It's not like, like a huge mortgage payment or whatever. It is what it is, right? So at the $1,000 level, you'll get 1,000 business leads. You'll get 5 books of stamps. You get a $50 gift card. You'll get a free vacation stay, and then you'll get 2 months of direct mail training. On top of that, like I said, if you come in at this level, you'll also get this website. This website that we're on, this is my website. This is not the company's. This is something that I had built for my team. So if you get in at the $1,000 level or higher, because I still get paid the commission, you will be able to have this website. And then here's a video that I did. This is the one I was talking about with the welcome kit. Okay, so I guess there's no fast forward button here because it's embedded. But if you go to the video, this is the video I did where I go over the whole welcome package. Then there's just some of my basic information. If people want to connect with me on Facebook, or if they want to call me or text me or email me, I want to give people a lot of different opportunities on how to contact me. Okay. So that's pretty much it. So when you join my team, if you join at the $1,000 level or higher, you get this website for free. If you don't join at the $1,000 level, let's say you join at the 300 or something, and you say, "Hey Nick, I still like that website." No problem. You could still buy it for $97 for the entire year. Okay, so I don't take that away from people. It's not just. It's just when people invest at a higher level and they put more skin in the game, I want to help them out. Okay. I want to help everybody out, but I'm willing to put some of my money into it for the people that invest more money. I'm sorry, coughing again. But yeah, that's it. I don't want to keep this video too long. That's all I wanted to talk about is the Passive Profits Postcard Program. So that's it. We just send postcards in the mail and people call, and then we have professional salespeople close those sales out for you. So if you're somebody that has a full-time job, you're busy with the kids, you have a lot of extracurricular activities, and it's like, I just don't have time to talk to people to close them out. That's the way that this program is set up. It's set up for the busy individual in mind, that you can still make some extra money without having to do all the extra work. All right, so this is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below in the comments area. Like and share this video. If you can't, subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell for the notifications the next time I have a video, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.